Welcome, here I've got ALCATEL 1S 2021 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on auto photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down to the general category, and here we can find the save location information option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using the button from the right we can see turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, the location and the internet, to make it work. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.